guys, look at mommy in the background looking like stressed. Anyways, it's another Sunday morning. We're here. We didn't get to watch any service today, so we listened to some worship service. So right now the time is now 1:30, and I just know we're gonna season chicken, cook dinner. We sit down for a morning and watch Pop the Balloon. You can see it over there, so you know the rolly, so easy. Pop the Balloon. So we're doing it for a morning. I'll catch up on the episodes then. I'm just like a season chicken. So right now we're there. I'm here. I'm cutting up some chicken. Cutting off the fat and stuff to wash it. We're gonna do some curry chicken today and rice and peas, right? Right? Yeah, cause girl, I make sure so she gets her cooking skills from par. So I'm in control. Mommy is here and is making sure. But want to make sure, cause you know the girl wants when she have her husband in the name of Jesus. Her husband can say, my wife can cook, right? And cook properly. You got me? I say, can cook enough, but it tastes good and different. So I have to make sure I say it's on par. I can do my thing, but want it to taste real nice. So we're there, fix up a little skills, because based on the time, say the time so hot. Mommy and I back a whisper, so we don't want to fry either. We'll try to cut off the fry as well. So that's why I do the curry. So yeah, so we have some chicken, as you can see right here, have the chicken thighs. I'm trying to cut off the fat and stuff. We have some chicken legs right here. Mommy over here do the washing up and stuff. Yeah, so I try to get all the stuff together and then have some tidying up to do later on, and some skincare because I need to make TikTok for my my channel. So let's get into it. No long talking, let's go, because we already talked for like 2 minutes already. So let's get into it. The chicken them look white and clean and pretty, don't it? Talk truth. Talk truth, mommy. Talk truth, mommy. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So yeah, so she added some scallion, onion. She's just mincing some garlic in the mincer here. Yeah, and then you just scrape that off. So onion, garlic, pepper.
Still have time to go.
And the time to go. Onion, scallion, garlic, thyme. Then I'm gonna add my seasoning. And you know, say we only use one better pack. One better pack. I know say it in the news say them have the fake one, but this is the real one. Sure, I'm sure of that. So the better pack curry, and then we're gonna add the other powdered seasoning to the stuff and thing. But I'll show you guys the process. My battery is dying. Hopefully I can show you guys. But if you don't see it, I don't know how it go. So we're gonna cover up this, put it in the fridge, let it marinate for a few. We added the time off camera. So put this in the fridge, cover it up with plastic, put it in the fridge for an hour or two, and then we get cooking with this. So I'll show you guys later. Back. Rice over here, so cook down, and then curry chicken. So the curry chicken is looking certain. Alright, so the chicken is done, rice are finished, steamed done, cover it up with some foil paper. Gonna do some vegetable with some carrots, lettuce, cabbage, and some tomato in it, right? So do some shredded vegetables, and then we add the stuff to it, right? So let's get into it. Alright, so lettuce leaves here. This is the finished product. Adding the vegetable. Anyways, so today it's more of a little getting ready. So we have a wedding to attend this weekend, so we're gonna make some final adjustments and stuff. We got our dress, the package came in and stuff, but when we tried it on, the dresses need a little bit of adjustment, just a little bit. Probably like the length is a bit too long. Look like how we get married. So we're going to the tailor to make him kind of, you know, just do the little tweaks and stuff. So let's go. We're gonna head on down the road so we can get that done. So let's go.
Right there, want it? Right there? Right there? Huh?
Can't beat me. Can always get beaten in this mall.
Okay, so just coming from work and I drained. I mean to reach from work a long time. I'm still in my work clothes because I'm just lazy. Anyways, the tailor called and said the dresses are ready for pickup, so we're gonna go now and pick up that. I'm just alright guys, so the dress is good. So I'm just gonna pick it up and go home. Hey guys, so it's wedding day. This is actually after the wedding. I'm so sorry we were running late. We were running very late, so I didn't get the chance to come and video for you guys. But yeah, this is how we're looking, and let's just get into the video. Quick OOTD. So I wore this nice purple dress with this nice fit right here. Mama wore this nice peach dress with a little slit right here. Yeah, and we wore the same shoes. Don't know if you guys can see it. I book up way higher than that. I come out further, mommy. Yeah, we wore the same shoes. Guys, when I tell you, these shoes are so comfortable. So comfortable. Yeah. Yeah. But anyways, we had a good time. So I'm going to show you guys some clips of that. So let's get into it.
Drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and see. She just wanna dance.